Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grow green vegetables step by step. Start by selecting a sunny, well-drained site and remove all weeds. Amend the soil with compost and check pH so plants access nutrients easily. Plan rows or raised beds spaced properly for airflow and maintenance. Choose varieties suited to your climate and space to improve success and reduce pests. Sow seeds or transplant seedlings following spacing guidelines and plant depth recommendations for each green vegetable. Water immediately and keep soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged to encourage strong roots. Mulch around plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds, leaving space at stems. Stagger planting dates for continuous harvest and monitor for crowded areas that need thinning to improve air circulation and yield. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy gardening guides. Quick recommendation: Little Trees Black Ice is a handy scent to freshen your car after hauling plants and soil. It keeps the drive pleasant and pairs nicely with gardening errands. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Maintain healthy green vegetables by watering deeply and less frequently to promote deep roots, adjusting for rain and heat. Feed with organic fertilizer on a regular schedule and side dress with compost when plants start vigorous growth. Prune yellowing leaves and thin crowded seedlings to reduce disease pressure. Use row covers or handpick pests as needed and rotate crops each season to keep soil healthy and productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.